Feast of Our Lady of Peñafrancia is celebrated on the Sunday after the octave of September 8th. That usually falls on the second or third Sunday of September in Naga City, Bicol, Philippines. All roads and routes will lead to Naga City in Camarines Sur, where 6 million Bicolanos from both Bicol and abroad will flock to that progressive city to pay honour to the Virgin of Peñafrancia, miraculous patroness of the Bicol region. From all walks of life will be in Naga City to meet their relatives and partidarios, share food, drinks and prayers with them, and most of all to pay homage and make thanksgiving to the Virgin of Peñafrancia, whom the Bicolanos fondly call Ina. The colourful evening procession is lit by thousands of candles from followers in boats escorting the image. When the flatboat reaches its destination, the devotees shout, "Viva la Virgen! Long live the Virgin!" and the image is carried back in a procession to the cathedral. Millions of Bicolanos will once again show to the whole Christian world their strong faith and loyalty to their Heavenly Mother amongst triumphant sounding shouts of "Viva la Virgen!" Bicolanos and pilgrims with lighted candles in their hands will kneel on the ground and bow their heads in prayer as the colourful fluvial procession carrying the Virgin flows through the Bicol River in downtown Naga. Miss Bicolandia is a beauty contest, which is the largest running beauty contest held in Bicol. There's loads and loads of people here. This contest isn't just about beauty, it's based on the brain, of the intelligent, of the well-educated, their bodies, and of course the outfits they wear. The parade is judged on their precision, how good the band is, and also how good the majorettes are. theme